Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening System Settings and selecting your Apple ID. This gives access to subscriptions tied to your account. Once signed in, choose Media and Purchases or Directly Subscriptions so you see every active service. Locate Apple TV Plus or any channel subscriptions. This is essential because you must cancel the exact item. If you don't see it, make sure you're using the same Apple ID used to subscribe. Otherwise, you might be looking at the wrong account. Now you tap the specific subscription entry to open billing details. This shows renewal dates and payment method. Once visible, choose Cancel Subscription and Confirm. This stops future charges while retaining access until the current billing period ends. Make sure to read any prorations or trial end dates so you know when access stops. If a subscription was billed through a third party, you'll see a note. In that case, follow the provider's cancellation instead of Apple's flow. After canceling, check for confirmation email and verify status in Settings Subscriptions to ensure it shows as canceled. Once done, access remains until the period end. If the subscription still appears active, restart your Mac and sign out, then back into your Apple ID to force a refresh. If problems persist, contact Apple support. Have your Apple ID, recent billing details, and dates ready so they can trace the transaction and resolve incorrect active status quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.